Hello kids, let's go to visit my pet's house. Oh, chicken? Those are lying in my house left area and eating a flax. Oh, meet my grandfather's favorite pet. It's a pigeon. Those are never eat a non-veg. Now go to this side to meet my favorite pet's dog. It's a Montu. Hi Montu, how are you? Can you please play with me? Yes. Ha ha ha. Oh, this is my pets of the cutie cat. Hello cutie. How are you? Wow, cutie, your look is awesome. She is always catching a rat like a Tom and Jerry. Now go to water area. 3 little ducks swimming on a day. Swim, swim, swim. Now go to visit my farm pets. Hello goats, what are you want to eat? Oh, nice rabbits. All are playing with each other. Hi little one, what are you doing? It's a pig. Let's go to meet my strong animal of my farmhouse. Wow! So cute little baby with her cow mother.